How to join private channels on Telegram without names. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily join private channels on Telegram without their name or the invitation link. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up a Telegram and make sure that you're logged in. First thing first, you're going to have to create your own channel. So just tap on this and then click on new channel. Give your channel a name and then click on done. Once you've created a channel, make sure it's set to private and then copy this link. Tap on done. And now you could add subscribers if you want, like this, and send the invite link. So from here, once you've copied the invite link, you're just going to have to head over to your web browser and then paste the link right here. And after you've done that, you're going to remove the last part like this and then simply search for the name of the channel that you want to join. So let's say if I just search for something like sports and then hit enter, it will give me the best results where there is a sports channel in Telegram. And if you are unable to find it this way, then in that case, what you could do is head over back to your Telegram app and then tap on the search bar and search for this searchy bot. And then from here, you're going to enter any keyword that you want to join. So let's say if I just search for sports here again and hit enter and tap on all channel and groups, it will show me all of the available channels related to sports. So here I'm just going to add sports and it's going to give me all of the best results here. So as you can see, here are many channels. So I'm just going to tap on, let's say, this one right here and open channel. It will directly take me to this particular channel and I'll be able to join it like this. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.